Welcome to 133 Morning View Way. Has a nice front porch. Let's go in. Wide foyer. First thing you notice is all the natural light that comes into the room. Full bath. It's the guest bedroom. It's a linen closet. As you come down the hallway, there's this huge flex space, which would make a great dining room. Again, it's so open. A lot of natural light. Stairway. Let's go into the second room. This could be a guest bedroom or an office. The video makes the rooms look smaller than they really are. There's a large closet right here. A nice coat closet. And that's the entrance to the garage. We'll take a peek in the garage real quick. It has a very large two-car garage. One of the neat things about this house is it has this little storage area that goes pretty deep into underneath the stairs. This wood right here is to cover up your windows when there's a storm. So you park in the garage. If it's cold or wet, you can hang your coats right there. And then there's a peek of the kitchen. All right, so you walk into this space, you have a huge kitchen, a large island, a lot of cabinet space, tons of natural light, covered back porch, and then a huge living area right here. Let's look at the kitchen a little bit closer. You can put stools right here and eat right at this bar. Cabinet space galore. There's a dishwasher. All right, and look at the pantry. Big pantry that can be walked in. That's nice to have. All right, so while you're cooking and entertaining, you can also be washing a load of clothes. Nice laundry room right here. Put your clothes in there, start a load, and cook or eat or whatever it is you like to do. There's digital thermostats. You can get an app so you can connect that to your telephone. All the switches are deco switches, high tech. And this is a big living area. So we'll walk into this living area, and you can see the huge yard back there as well. A lot of natural light from the windows. Very open concept. It's a big space. So if you wanted, you could put a television there, excuse me, on this wall. And then while you're cooking, you could watch the television. You could have your company sit here and at the bar. It'd be a great house to entertain. Also, look at this huge covered back porch. And the yard goes way back there, almost to that guy's back there, by that post, and then goes across over to there, comes up the side. We'll go out here, and I'll show you the back of the house. A lot of windows, a lot of natural light. It wouldn't be hard to add a patio, concrete patio back here. You could screen in or blast in this porch. Also, all of our homes here have hardy plank siding. We use Sherwin-Williams paints. Here's little holes, little plug holes that you use for the storm covers. I can't get it out right now, but anyway, that's how you screw your storm covers in over your windows. And it's around all the windows. So that's very handy because you know we have storms around here occasionally. It's move-in ready. Comes with all the alarms, all the lights. Here's your huge primary bedroom. Again, a lot of natural light from the window. And here's the ensuite bathroom. So you have dual vanities, one on this side, one over there. Works great for sharing, or even if you just want to have separate things on each one. Beautiful glass door, walk-in shower, a lot of drawer space. We will replace all that. That needs to be added. And check out this walk-in closet. This thing is very large. It's, I don't know, I would guess it's probably 10 by 10 space. All the shelving you see is included. Big closet. And it's always nice to have some privacy. Nice little private reading room. Again, the ensuite bathroom, the walk-in closet, right here on the primary bedroom. All right. Let's go take a look at the upstairs. We haven't seen the upstairs. I really didn't show you this room. This is the dining room. Let me give you an idea of how large this room is. It's a big space. Okay, we'll go upstairs. Most of the living area is downstairs, but it has a real neat space upstairs. There's a nice loft sitting area that's extremely large. It's a huge room right here. And there's another closet. There's actually a second thermostat upstairs. Again, there's a lot of natural light. It's a huge space up here. There's a little closet, crawl space right there. It's more for access than really storage. This area is actually a very large closet. And you have a huge walk-in. All right, so let's check out full bathroom upstairs. And then there's a big closet that's almost as large as the bathroom on the opposite side. and a huge bedroom with a big window and lots of natural light. Nice closet. This will make a great bedroom. All right, so this is the Darby floor plan. It's 2,656 square feet. It's a very large home. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. All right. Give me a call if you have any questions.
All right, we're in the Darby floor plan here at Lakeview at Kitfield. We're in the huge kitchen area. Give me a call, 843-469-6228 if you have any questions. 843-469-6228. Thanks.